Hello students, welcome back. In this class we will discuss question number 7. Question number 7 states that if cot theta equals to 7 by 8, the ratio is given. We need to evaluate bit 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, bit 2 cot square theta. That's it. So the solutions are straightforward. So we'll start with the solution. It is given cot theta equals to 7 by 8. So we already know that the ratio of cot theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. So the solution is clear. We need to know what is hypotenuse. So if we draw the diagram, this is theta. So what is given? Adjacent is given. Adjacent is 7. What is given? Opposite given. Opposite is 8. So we need to find out hypotenuse. So same, opposite square, Pythagoras theorem, adjacent square equals to hypotenuse square. Opposite square 8 square, adjacent square 7 square equals to hypotenuse square. Here I am not written any vertices. You can write it also, A, B, C. So hypotenuse square is AC square. 8 square is 64. 7 square is 49. So AC square. 100 60 plus 40 or nearly 50, 113. The solution is 113. So AC square equals to 113. AC equals to square root of 113 is the hypotenuse. Don't worry, sometimes the answer will be some odd type answers. So no worries, hypotenuse is square root of 113. So we got two bits, bit 1 and bit 2. Bit 2 is straightforward. We'll do bit 2 first. Bit 2 cot square theta. Cot square theta is also written as cot theta whole square. So cot theta whole square and cot square theta both are same. So we already know what is cot theta. Cot theta is 7 by 8 square. Already we know the answer. Answer is 49 by 64. If any cancellations goes, we'll do it later. Mostly it will not go because the same we'll get, but the answer is correct. Second bit is first bit is 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. This can be evaluated in many ways. We can substitute, we can find out the sin theta ratio and we can substitute it, or we can write it as in the form of a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. So we can write this in the form of a plus b into a minus b, which will equal to a square minus b square, which will equal to a square minus b square. So this is very straightforward and simple. So we'll try to write this in this form. So 1 minus sin square theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta. So we need to find out the trigonometric ratio sin and cos. So first let's find out what is sin. Sin theta equals to opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is 8, hypotenuse is 113. Root 113. Adjacent is 7, hypotenuse is root 113. So this we can directly substitute here. 1 minus 8 by root 113 whole square divided by 1 minus 7 by root 113 whole square. Now which will equal to 1 minus 64 by 113 divided by 1 minus 49 by 113. This can be written as by some manipulations and taking LCM. 113 minus 64 divided by 11 divided by 1, or I'll write it here 1. Okay, I'll write it here 113 minus 64 divided by 113 minus 49, which will equal to 149 which will equal to, oh shit, which will equal to 49 by 64 is the answer. So the solution for this is 49 by 64 and solution for this is 49 by 64. If you got any doubt, you can ask me, comment me. Thank you, students.